My name is Sai Kiran. I am from ECB section. My topic is handoff strategies. Definition of handoff strategies. In cellular communication, the handoff is the process of transferring an active call or data session from one cell in a cellular network or from one channel to another. In satellite communication, it is the process of transferring control from one earth station to another earth station. Handoff is necessary for preventing loss of interpretation of service to caller or a data session user. Handoff is also called as handover. This is a diagram of the handoff strategies. Situation for triggering handoff strategies. Handoffs are triggered in any of the following situation. If subscriber who is on call or data sessions moves out of coverage of one cell and enters coverage area of another cell, a handoff is triggered for the continuum of service. The tasks that were being performed by the first cell or delegating to the later cell. Each cell has predefined capacity, that is, it can handle only specific number of subscribers. If the number of users using a particular cell reaches its maximum capacity, then a handoff occurs. Some of the cells are transferred and adjoining cells provided that the subscriber is in the overlapping coverage area of both cells. Cells are often subdivided into microcells. A handoff mechanism may occur when there is a transfer of duties from the large cell into the smaller cell and vice versa. For example, there is a traveling user moving within the jurisdiction of a large cell. If the traveler stops, then the jurisdiction is transferred to a microcell. To relieve the load on large cell, handoffs may also occur when there is an interference of calls using same frequency. Types of handoffs. There are two types of handoff. Hard handoff. In a hard handoff, an actual break in the connection occurs while switching from one cell to another. The radio links from the mobile station to the existing cell is broken before establishing a link with the next cell. In generally an interfrequency handoff, it is a break before make policy soft. Handoff in soft handoff, at least one of the links is kept when radio links are added and removed to the mobile station. This ensures that during the handoff no breaks occur. This is generally adopted in co-located sites. It's a make before break policy. Hard handoff and soft handoff images. Hard handoff is use mobile assisted handoff. Mobile assisted handoff is a technique in which the mobile devices assists the base station controller BSC to transfer a call to another BSC. It is used in GSM cellular networks in other systems like AMPS, and a handoff is solely the job of the BSC and the mobile switching center without any participation of the mobile device. However, in global cellular mechanism, mobile station is not using its time slots for communicating. It measures signal quality to nearby BSC and sends this information to the BSC. The BSC performs handoff according to the information. Handoff strategies in mobile communication. When a mobile moves into different cell while a conversation is in the progress, the mobile cell MSC automatically transferred the call to a new channel belonging to the new base station. This process of transferring the channel between two cells are called handoff. These handoff strategies in mobile communication not only involves identifying a new base station but also requires that the voice and control signals be allocated channels associated with the new base station. This post includes mobiles and wireless communication notes on various handoff strategies in mobile communication in detail. Demonstration of handoff strategy. In the case where a handoff is not made and the signal drops below the minimum acceptable level to keep the channel active, this dropped call even can happen when there is an expansive delay by the MSC in assigning a handoff or hand-off time in the systems. Excessive delay may occur during the high traffic conditions or due to the no channels are available on any of the nearby stations. In deciding when to hand off, it is important to ensure that the drop in the measured signal is not due to the momentary fading and the mobile is actually moving away from the service surviving base station. But when there is no drop in the measured signal level due to momentary fading and not due to the actual moving mobile way from the base stations, this is the situation. If the handoff of the call takes place, then the such handoffs must be prevented by ensuring that the base station monitors the signals levels for a certain period of the time before the handoff is initiated. In mobile communication, the handoff strategies plays a vital role for the process of communication. This is the usage of handoff strategies. Thank you.